Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of space? The universe is full of incredible wonders and mysteries that boggle the mind. Today, we're going to explore some mind-blowing space facts that you won't believe. So, buckle up and get ready to have your mind expanded. Did you know that the Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy? That's right. Our galaxy is hurtling towards Andromeda at about 250,000 miles per hour. But don't worry, this cosmic crash won't happen for another 4 billion years. When it does, it will create a brand new galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Now, imagine the sheer scale of this event. It's not just two galaxies colliding, it's billions of stars, potentially millions of planets, and who knows how many black holes and other celestial objects. The gravitational forces at play will create a cosmic ballet of unimaginable beauty and chaos. Speaking of mind-blowing, black holes are some of the most fascinating objects in space. These regions of space-time have such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. The largest black hole discovered so far is ton 618, which is 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Imagine the immense gravitational pull of such a colossal entity. What's even more fascinating is the concept of the event horizon. This is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can return. If you were to fall into a black hole, you'd experience something called spaghettification, where the gravitational forces stretch you into a long, thin shape, much like a piece of spaghetti. It's a bizarre and terrifying way to go, but thankfully, black holes are far enough away from us to keep this firmly in the realm of science fiction. And if you thought black holes were dense, wait until you hear about neutron stars. These are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of its material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. That's like squeezing the entire human population into a single grain of sand. Neutron stars also have incredibly strong magnetic fields. In fact, they can be 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. These magnetic fields can cause neutron stars to emit beams of radiation that sweep through space. If these beams point towards Earth, we see them as pulsars, cosmic lighthouses blinking on and off at regular intervals. Let's move on to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. But that's not all. Jupiter has 79 known moons, the most famous of which is Europa. Europa is particularly interesting because it has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, making it one of the top contenders in the search for extraterrestrial life. Jupiter also has a massive storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm is so large that it could fit 3 Earths inside it. It has been raging for at least 400 years, possibly much longer. The sheer energy and persistence of this storm are a testament to the dynamic and turbulent nature of Jupiter's atmosphere. Speaking of spectacular planets, Saturn is well known for its stunning rings. These rings are made up of ice and rock particles that range in size from tiny grains to large boulders. What's truly fascinating is that these rings are incredibly thin, about 30 feet in some places, despite being over 170,000 miles in diameter. They are a marvel of cosmic engineering. The origin of Saturn's rings is still a topic of debate among scientists. Some believe they formed from the remnants of a destroyed moon, while others think they might be leftover material from the planet's formation. Either way, Saturn's rings are a captivating subject for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Beyond our solar system, there are countless exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. One of the most intriguing is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. It's about 1.5 times the size of Earth and lies within the habitable zone of its star, which means it could potentially support liquid water and possibly life. Kepler 452b orbits a star that is very similar to our Sun, but older. This means it could offer a glimpse into the future of our own planet. As stars age, they grow brighter and hotter, potentially transforming habitable worlds into uninhabitable wastelands. Studying exoplanets like Kepler 452b helps us understand the life cycles of planets and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. The universe is expanding, and it's doing so at an accelerating rate. This discovery was made in the late 1990s and earned the scientists who discovered it a Nobel Prize. The cause of this acceleration is still unknown and is referred to as dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe, while dark matter, which we also know little about, makes up 27%. That means the matter we can see and touch, everything we know, makes up less than 5% of the universe. Dark energy and dark matter are two of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. They influence the universe on the largest scales, yet we can't directly observe them. Scientists use the gravitational effects on visible matter to infer their presence. Solving these mysteries could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and reveal new aspects of fundamental physics. Let's talk about the Big Bang. The Big Bang theory is the leading explanation for how the universe began, roughly 13.8 billion years ago. The cosmic microwave background radiation, which we can still detect today, is the afterglow of this massive explosion. It's like looking back in time to the birth of the universe. This faint glow is spread across the entire sky and provides a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. By studying the cosmic microwave background, scientists can learn about the early conditions of the universe, the formation of galaxies, and the distribution of dark matter. Now, for a fun fact. The farthest man-made object from Earth is the Voyager 1 spacecraft. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 has traveled over 14 billion miles and is now in interstellar space. It carries with it the golden record, a message for any extraterrestrial intelligence that might find it, containing sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The golden record includes greetings in 55 languages, music from various cultures and eras, sounds of nature, and images depicting human life and the natural world. It's a time capsule of our civilization, meant to communicate the story of our world to beings who might exist far beyond our solar system. Let's dive even deeper into the wonders of our solar system. Did you know that Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has temperatures that swing wildly from one extreme to another? During the day, temperatures can soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, while at night they can plummet to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, 201 degrees Celsius. Despite being so close to the Sun, Mercury has virtually no atmosphere to trap heat, resulting in these drastic temperature changes. And then there's Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. However, Venus is anything but hospitable. Its thick atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures are hot enough to melt lead, and the atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being a mile underwater. Mars, our neighboring red planet, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Recent missions have uncovered evidence that Mars once had liquid water on its surface. Ancient river valleys, lake beds, and minerals that form in water all suggest that Mars might have been a more Earth-like world in the distant past. As we continue to explore Mars with rovers and, soon, human missions, the quest to find signs of past life remains one of the most exciting scientific endeavors. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system. These asteroids vary in size from tiny pebbles to the massive Ceres, which is 590 miles, 940 kilometers in diameter. Studying these ancient rocks helps scientists understand the conditions and processes that shaped our solar system. And let's not forget about comets, those icy wanderers that grace our skies with spectacular tails. Comets are composed of ice, dust, and rocky material. When they approach the sun, the heat causes their ices to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and often a tail that can stretch millions of miles. The famous Halley's Comet, which returns to the inner solar system every 76 years, has been observed and recorded by humans for over 2 millennia. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of space populated by small icy bodies, including Pluto. This area is thought to be a reservoir for short-period comets. Even farther out, extending nearly a quarter of the way to the next star, is the Oort cloud, a theoretical cloud of icy objects believed to be the source of long-period comets. These distant regions are the frozen frontier of our solar system, containing clues about its formation and the primordial materials that existed billions of years ago. Our universe is full of incredible wonders and mysteries that continue to amaze and inspire us. From the immense power of black holes to the possibilities of life on distant exoplanets, space is truly the final frontier. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts and discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.